Hey there, Split Test rock stars. It's Jeff from Social Acclaim. This video is part one of a series we're going to do about split testing. We're going to keep each episode short and right to the point so you get maximum value. In case you need any of the tools, I put up a page at tools.socialacclaim.com. In this episode, we're going to talk about how to split test landing pages, which elements to split test, and I'm going to recommend the order in which you test the elements. And then in the next episode, we're going to see exactly why split testing landing pages is so critical to your success. So here's a quick mock-up of our landing page I built just a few minutes ago. We've got our branding, we've got a headline, some copy, some buttons. Now, let's create our split test. Depending on which tools you're using, how you go about this will be a little bit different. I really like ClickFunnels for it because it's super fast and super easy. We just click this create variation. We're going to create a duplicate page from the one we created. And in literally seconds, it will have set up our second page. So we're going to go now to edit that page. We'll notice we're going to leave this little slider over here allowing all traffic that's going to our primary page so that while we're making our changes on our alternate split page, we're not driving any traffic to an incomplete page. Okay, so here we go. The key here with split testing is to pick just one element at a time and change it. So in this case, we might want to change this fairly boring headline that says tools to something a little bit better like top 3 amazing tools that can transform your business quickly without breaking the bank. Yeah, that's pretty good. And, I'd probably use the tool that's behind this Learn More that helped me get an actual better headline than that, but that actually looks pretty good. Top 3 amazing tools that can transform your business quickly without breaking the bank. Remember, the other page just said tools. It's a pretty long headline. Let's quickly preview this in mobile. Top 3 amazing tools that can it's a little bit, in mobile this is going to be pretty good, but this is a little large. So just for mobile, let's change that headline down. Let's make the mobile size, let's try 30. Top 3 amazing, it can transform your business quickly without breaking the bank. I like it. So let's save that, and we have just created a split test. The key here is that we let this run for a period of time to test it. How long you test it will depend on the amount of traffic going to it. If you have a lot of traffic going to your pages, then you may be able to test it over just a couple days. If you're not getting a lot of traffic, you'll probably want to test it longer so that you can have enough visitors to know which page is performing better. Now, remember, again, when you test, you only want to test one element at a time. That way you know which change actually made the difference. If you changed 3 or 4 things on a page and that page performed better, you might not really know which of those things you changed made the difference versus which ones didn't. Or maybe some of them would have worked against you. So always test only one element at a time. A lot of people, for example, just think they need to test their button color. And that's fine, but the experts I follow suggest that there are some other elements that you could test first for a little bit greater impact. So here we've just added 50% split to the traffic so that both pages are now live. So in this order, here's what we recommend. Test the layout first. Now, I didn't do that in this video, obviously. I wanted to keep it short and sweet. Test the layout. Maybe a vertical layout versus a horizontal layout makes a difference. Maybe they prefer, if you're doing an opt-in, maybe they prefer a horizontally set up opt-in rather than a vertically set up opt-in of the fields. Who knows? But test the layout first. Secondly, test the message, in particular, the headline. That's what you saw us do here. Change the headline. Just change the headline, let it run, test it, gather some data, find out if that made a difference, hopefully for the better. If it didn't, get rid of it, try a different one. After that, you can test your colors. After that, test your buttons. And then after that, try changing some images, see how that works. But remember, each time you make one of those changes, allow some traffic and time after you make that change. Some folks recommend allowing at least 100 new visitors to the pages to test. Other people argue that you would need even more traffic than that to get a statistically significant sampling. I can't really speak to that per se, but my big takeaway is allow some time, allow some visitors so that if two people come to the page and they both do something, that could have been a fluke. It's not enough data to really know. So let it run. Good luck. Let us know how it goes. We'll see you in the next video.